Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. For today, I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can see your deposit history on Etoro. To do so, first of all, let's log into your Etoro account from your Google Chrome browser like I already did. And after logging into your Etoro account, you'll see that you'll be on the home screen or home page of Etoro. From here, you can see on the left hand side of your screen all the options to settings and more appear. If it is not appearing like it is on my screen and it is like this, simply click on this arrow button. After that, it will expand and you'll be able to see all the options. From here, simply click on portfolio. Onto the portfolio, you'll be able to see all the assets that you own. Now to get the deposit history, you simply need to click on this down arrow button beside my portfolio, and now this will show you an option for history. Now click on history and you'll be able to get your history, and that is how easy it is to get your deposit history. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.